Welcome to my channel. In the previous tutorial, we have built PCF control project using back command. Now we will see how we can create a blinking rolling text using PCF project. You remember that we have run npm install. So it created all the dependencies here, which is responsible for running some of the code components. So our requirement is to create a blinking rolling text. So I strongly recommend you to download my Git repository and clone it to your local and run the npm install. So there are key files that we need to keep in mind is ControlManifest.Input.xml file, which is responsible for taking some of the properties from the UI. We have text value and font size and what font color you need to show from the UI. And then we have index.ts file where our actual magic happens. So this file is responsible for showing blinking and rolling text which moves from right to left and which decides what would be your font size and what would be your font color. Let's run npm start.watch, which builds your project as well as it opens up your solution in a browser. Here you can see a sample text which is moving from right to left, having a font size of 25 and which is having a font color of green. Let's change this to red. Let's reduce to 12px. You can see our text is moving from right to left with a font size of 12 pixel and having a font color of red. Thank you for watching.